am Anne van Loon and I work as an associate professor in drought risk at the Vrije Universiteit Amsterdam. Drought can have severe impacts around the world, from crop loss and livestock mortality to problems with drinking water supply, from tree mortality and decreased carbon storage to impaired shipping traffic, from impacts on aquatic ecosystems and tourism to losses in electricity production. The causes and impacts of drought vary across climate regions. For example, in dry areas like Southern Africa, a delayed onset or lower rainfall during the wet period causes low soil moisture, leading to local food insecurity and potentially famine. But also in wet regions like the Netherlands, soil drying and low water levels in rivers and groundwater can occur. Although there is plenty of rain, society and ecosystems have adapted to wet conditions and might suffer when summers are hot and dry, or when there is a number of low rainfall winters in a row. We're also draining the water away too quickly towards the sea. We have seen in the past few years that ecosystems, drinking water supply and agriculture are vulnerable to drought, even in the Netherlands. The coping mechanisms and solutions to drought are also different in different parts of the world. In wet regions, farmers might be able to avoid crop damage by irrigation. But even there, it is important that enough of the rain is captured and stored to prevent groundwater depletion and indirect impacts on ecosystems. In drier countries, the use of drought-tolerant crops and the development of irrigation systems using groundwater are possible solutions. But the challenge remains to do this in a sustainable way. At VU Amsterdam, you'll learn about the hydrological processes behind drought and how they affect society, vegetation and climate. You'll acquire fieldwork and modeling skills to develop sustainable solutions to reduce ecological and societal drought impacts. If you want to contribute to solving this challenge in an interdisciplinary way, come study at the Vrije Universiteit Amsterdam.